Okay, today we're going to go over Skynet. It's a program I've been making. We'll open that up here for you. We're going to go over. I guess I have it open a couple times already. Okay, we're going to go over Skynet. It's a program I've been making that assists streamers in streaming. It makes it a little bit easier to manage characters, names, sponsors, countries, colors, ports, scores, etc. All for a browser source when you're streaming. And as well as a bunch of other features that should make the job of a streamer very, very easy, and it kind of takes a lot of the work off their hands. There's a bunch of different features here and a bunch of different tabs. We'll go over all of them shortly. To give you the basics, this is kind of your main control. It's the scoreboard. It's where you put in the names of the players. It's where you select the characters they use. And Dark Falcon main, and then you can update their scores. You can, put their country. You can change. Shear's going blue. Dark Horse is going red. It's for if you're doing teams. You can put their Twitters. You can change. Let's say it's winners, finals, and the event is Super Smash God. Alright, you save that, and you do with that Control S, or you can click the Save button here, and this will save it into an output file that is then used by the browser source. So to get into kind of how you make Skynet work with the browser source and how you can control a lot of these different features on Skynet, we have to come over here to the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, there's a bunch of stuff here, and we'll go over all of it shortly. The main thing to be concerned with, this is the first part of it, the basics of Skynet, is just this here output file. And all you got to do is you click Browse, and you select where you want the file to be saved. And what's going to be saved here, this is how all of these fields that you see in Skynet, all the things that you can edit, it will save it to a file for output. When it saves it to that file for output, your browser source, typically in Exploiter or OBS, will parse the output file and it will update the stream. So this is just how you declare where you want it to save all of its information. It's very simple, it's very standard, there's really nothing else to it. If you want to use the basics of Skynet, that's all you need to do. You just set the file and you edit and you save, and it is done. This is the first episode of Skynet. We will get into more of the features of Skynet next.